Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, wherever you are hearing or watching me. This is PMan First Blue Club Traders, guys. Yeah, guys, and I think I told you guys last time on my channel that I'm going to do some video for my EA. Okay, yeah, when we entered 2025, I took time to build about 3 robots. Okay, I discovered that for some years now, for some time or some years now, I've never gotten a good robot I've never gotten some robot for forex market. I've been on DERIV only, and there's a lot of guys and a lot of people asking for that, so I need to do that. So guys, to start with, I'm going to talk about BC auto profit screen right now. Okay, BC auto profit EA, this is it from Blue Club Traders EAs. All right, so guys, I have BC auto profit 1, and 2, I have PFS Go Sniper. Okay, and I also have H. It's not here right now, so I'm going to show you guys later. So now, but I'm going to talk about BC today. All right, I'm going to talk about BC auto profit today. If time permits me, I will also talk about a Gold Sniper. Gold Sniper is a very powerful EA to snipe gold in the market. I can show you the result of 3 days trading before market closes on this last Friday. Today is Sunday, 2025. Okay, so now when you come to those of us that first got this BC auto profit, when you check the future, let me open the future for you here. When you check the future of this EA, you discover that it is quite different from this one. Okay, and I will tell you reason why I updated some of the things. Okay, but let me first of all show you some things that you need to know here. Okay, let me show you some things that you need to know here. All right, so now when you come to the place, if this is your first time or coming across my channel, please subscribe. There's a link below to join my channel, right? So, and please don't skip this video so that you can be able to understand this robot very well, because I'm going to take time to analyze this boat, to explain this boat for you guys. Okay, so you will see that it's a very wonderful boat. Now, this is the final version. This is the second version of this EA. Okay, most of you that got the first one will notice that it doesn't have this. It doesn't have this Blue Club Traders EA here feature here. It doesn't have these things here, this analysis here. Okay, and then let's go to the setting. So when you come to the setting, the first one here, let me use my marker. So the first one here, when you look at the setting, the first one here is lot size. Now this lot size, you can change the lot size to your own preferable. Your account size. I don't know your account size. Okay, but I put it for the lowest lot size because of those that has little equity. Okay, so now when you look at this place, you see lot size. You can change the lot size to your auto whatever. Okay, if you want to use one certain lot size, go ahead. just click there. Okay, just click here and then change it there. Then this is what makes it new here and here. We look here, we have sell only and the buy only. Okay, we have sell only and buy only. Okay, so when you look at these two things here, if you want the market, when the market goes up and you want the market and you see that the market is downward trend now, the market is trending down, okay, you can quickly off, double click here. Let me show you. Let me remove my this thing. Double click buy and you change to what? You remove the true and put it for false. Can you see there? Then if you want only the buy, then put it on true and put this one on false. But if you want them to be trading together, then leave it the way it is. Okay, I'm always saying this, I'm giving this option for those of us that want that option. Okay, for something like this, let me show you something. Let me show you something here on the, let me show you something here. Can you see this? When you look at this place, you discover that market has gone up. Market has gone up here up to 4, from boom 1000. Okay, I'm just using this as an example. I think last week I told you guys the vote I sent on the channel. I said those of you that had their free vote, please switch off the buy and leave the sell. If most of you listen and follow me for what I'm doing on the channel, you'll be making money on a daily basis. Look at the market keep on trending down, trending down. What if the market, if this boat, if it did not off it, look at what would have happened. Let me show you the second picture. Okay, look at what could have happened. Then it keep on selling, I mean keep on buying. Though my boats, I know how I create some of the martingos. You can see it's not up to one standard lots. Okay, so it is a minor loss, but this is what could have happened. Okay, so that's why I put that feature on that boat. But nevertheless, the blue club, I mean the BC auto profit is not like that. I'm just using this one as an example. If you want to trade only buy, you can trade only buy. If you want to trade only sell, you can trade only sell. That's why I put this feature here. Now, if need arise for martingo, it doesn't martingo anyhow because of the strategy. If it do not get to these levels, it has to meet about 3 conditions before it can place either buy or sell on this boat. Okay, and that is all my boat, not only this. All the boat I have has a particular condition that you need to meet first before you can place buy or sell. All right, so if you do not get to that condition, it will not place either buy or sell. So if there's need arise for that, you can adjust. See, everything here is adjustable. You can adjust anything here to suit your own style of trading. Okay, that is making how free trade boat. Okay, you can adjust anything here. You understand? So this is moving average 200. These RSI values and the rest. Okay, so guys, this is the new phase of BC Auto Profit EA. Okay, this is a very powerful EA. Look at what he has made on this boat. This is DERIV right now. I'm in a DERIV market. You can see it here. This is a DERIV broker. You can see DERIV broker here. Okay, this is a DERIV broker. Okay, so let me change my marker so it can be seen. So this is DERIV broker. Okay, you can see it here. This is a DERIV broker. Then let's go to FOREX market. Now this remember, this is a DERIV. I told you guys that this boat can trade both DERIV and FOREX brokers. Okay, this is a XNES. This XNES broker. Okay, this XNES. So most of you that knows XNES, we know that it's a very powerful broker. Okay, so now in XNES, he traded on this account. He started with $500 on XNES. Okay, and look at the profit he has made here. Look at the profit he has made. He has made roughly $164 here. Look at it here. So the deposit is okay, look at it. This is 164 profit, and the deposit is $500, and the total balance becomes $664. Okay, so when you look at it, how many days you are traded to make this $164, right? You can see it was BC that trade everything from beginning, from end to down. Okay, so how many days he has traded to make this profit? All right, so this account started, I think that was on the 22. See, on the 22, let's check 22. Let's see if there's any trade on that day. Okay, yeah, so let's go back to 20. I've forgotten the day I started trading. I think let's go back to 20. I think that was on the 20. Yeah, on the 20. 2020. All right, it started on the 20. So the account started on the 20. So it started trading on the 20. Then from the 20, okay, to 27. Remember, this is forex market, it's not DERIV. Okay, this is gold. All this thing you have seen is gold and BTC, and you can see what it traded here throughout. So if you check on the 20 to then Friday, this is Saturday, being on the 26th, Friday is on the 27th. So if you 21, that is count one, how many days he traded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He traded 6 days. Okay, so he traded 6 days and he made $164. Okay, when you come to our own country, most of you that always look at if the money you are paying for the boat is too high or whatever, remember the business you are doing is not a business of 1 naira. You can use 1 week, even 1 month to double that money you paid for the robot, even triple the money. If you check the $164 by exchange rate in Nigeria today, for 5 days you have traded, okay, for 5 days you have traded, you discover that $1 today is how much? Look at it, $1 in Nigeria is 1,000. We are using this exchange, but normal exchange that we are using even is higher than this. Okay, but let's use this one. You can see 1,608.72 naira. That is equivalent to $1. Now, when you want to calculate how much has made for 6 days, okay, you now said $164. Can you see how much you have made in 6 days? Can you see? 263,830 naira. You can see it. You have made 263,000 naira. Okay, almost 264,000 in 6 days. If you calculate 6 days into 5 places, okay, do you know how much he has made? Over 1 point something million. So when you are paying for the robot and thinking about the money is too much, $500 is too much, $300 is too much, $100 is too much, my dear, it's the kind of business you are doing. This business is not a 1 naira business. You should know that. Most of us in Nigeria, okay, so because most of us thought that you are paid huge amount. If you think that is too much, my dear, it's better you go for offline business. You can use a little, maybe 100,000 to start open a shop and start your business gradually and making money small. That your 100,000 in your small offline business can make you understand, can be making maybe 5,000 naira, 3,000 naira per day. If you calculate by 6 days, you are making about 9,000 naira, not about 200 something thousand. Okay, if you calculate 100, let's say 263,000. If you times it by how many days? By 4. Let me just say 4. Approximately, it's not up to 1 month, but let's say by 4. Okay, that is 1,052,000. 1,050,000. So that's what I'm telling you guys. So BC AUTOPROFIT EA is a very powerful board. But let me show you the machine I've created. Let me show you the machine. You see this boat, because gold has been dealing with people. That's why I did not post gold robots since all this years like that, because I've been tracking why gold is doing like this. Sometimes we spike with the news, with a very long candle moving for so with a very high spread, guys. If you look at here, you will see this is gold. This is a PFS Gold Sniper EA. Okay, when you look here, you see PManifest Gold EA. Okay, that's what you see on the comment section. All right, so this is the boat here. Look at what this boat has made. This boat has made in just 3 days, not up to 3 days, but in just 3 days, it made $142 from $500 deposit. See how? You see the deposit, $500. Okay, then in 3 days, let me show you. If you think I'm joking, so it becomes, the total amount becomes how much? It becomes $642. Look at it here. All right, if you look here, you will see that this boat started trading on this account on, I think that was on the 23. Yes, on 23 started trading. Let me leave here first. Let me drag it up a bit. Okay, started trading on the 23. All right, so when you come here, this is 22, right? Okay, this is another 22. Let's see if there's a trade there on the 22. If there's any trading on the 22. You see there's no trading. So this account has never started trading on the 22. Okay, so let's go back. When you see 23, let's see on the 23. On the 23 and on the 23. Let's see. Wow, let's go to 20. This is massive. Let's go to 24. On the 24. On the 24. Okay, let's see what happened here. Let's check all history. Okay, then when you see, okay, it started on the 23. It started on the 23. Maybe I'm mistaking the custom period today. Sorry, I want to make it clear to you guys. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing now. I want to make it clear to you guys. So on the 23 to on Saturday, on Friday, this is 23, 24, 25. 23 is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it traded 3 days. Let me just put Saturday. Okay, can you see that? So it traded Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's when it made this trade all through, and it made $42. It made over 217,000 in 3 days with gold without a loss, and it closed the market. It closes the market down the same day and leave. You understand? So it closes the market the same day and leave. So guys, this is one of the another machine. That's another machine. You guys need to see how this boat spike the market. Sometimes you see, if I show you how you pick the trade on the market, let me show you something here. Let me show you something. Maybe I should use normal candlestick here, so you will see how he traded the market. And let me show you. Okay, let's go back to the trading. All right, when you unlock your chart, let's look chart. Can you see what happened here? Look at how I be picking the trade. Look at how I be picking the trade. He picked the trade here, pick 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 the trade here. He buys only, doesn't sell. He buys only. He keep on dictating even when the market was going down, he allowed the market to go down. Then after the market going up, he started following the market upward trend. Okay, so he is a trend following EA. Okay, look at how the market started from this place. It did not matingo anything. You see it? Then he pick here and have patient until the market come to this zone. Then you pick from here. You pick from here before market close. And did not leave a dime. Did not leave a single trade when the market closes. Until the market close, he stopped trading. You see, he stopped trading. He stopped trading. So this is a machine. That's a machine. Everything is on my channel. So guys, I want you guys to know that I've done justice for explaining these things to you guys. You know how to install the boat. Please, this boat now has a set file. This BC Auto Profit has a set file. So after you install the boat, please click on load. Click on load. Then you will load the set files to a particular pair that you want to trade. Okay, this is for gold and this is for GBPUSD. This is for DEX 900 up, the 600 up, the 600 down, and BTC. Okay, this is the currency for this new phase. This is the currency trade for now. And please let me sound it clear to you guys. Please, it's no must you trade all this pair. Please, it's no must. that you trade all of them. It's not must you trade all of them. Check your account. You can trade. You can pick only gold and trade only gold. Okay, you can trade only gold, or you can trade only BTC. Okay, so you can trade only one currency pair. I didn't say you should trade all of them. You can trade one. Okay, but if you can be able to trade all of them, no problem. You have a good account size from $1,000 and above, you can trade all. There's no problem. Okay, if you even have $500 and above, you can trade all, but it's not must that you trade all. Please, it's not must. You can pick one. Conservative trading is the best trading in the world, strategy in the world. Please, whatever you are doing in this business, make sure that you always apply risk management. And we are not owner the market. We are not the market makers. You understand? So we are trying to make sure that you guys get a good trading robot in this business. You understand? Or indicators. You understand? Most of my robot, I use my trend filter indicator, which is moving average. You can see it here. This moving average, you can see the movement. You can see how this thing is moving, and robot is in the market. You understand? So guys, please, I want you guys to take good care of your accounts. Okay, my name remains Mr. PFS Blue Club Traders. Okay, please, if you have any question, DM me the information about this boat. Please join my Telegram channel to get every info about this boat, guys. So I have everything you needed. I have some free boat on the channel. So guys, I've done justice on this particular EA. This robot is not just a robot. All my robot I'm creating right now, I told you guys, I have this BC auto profit, and I have gold scalp edge. Okay, gold scalp edge, and gold sniper. Okay, so these are powerful boats. Okay, so please join my channel and check the information. There's a link below inside the channel that you can click, that you share, and you see everything needed on this or every information you needed on this boat. Thank you guys.